Institute of Cell Engineering at Johns Hopkins Medicine and have been actively involved in stem cell research for the past 14 years. It's widely acknowledged that one of the greatest discoveries in biology has been the embryonic stem cell. When you consider that this cell and this cell alone can produce all 220 different cell types that are present in your body, it's a remarkable organism. Many scientists and physicians feel that this cell holds the key to overcome the pain and suffering of many diseases and injuries. The technology that we have pioneered has resulted in great awe, but also comes with a good deal of responsibility. Decisions concerning the applications of this technology is left to society. As a scientist, I'm here to try to provide to you the most objective appraisal of where this work is going and to compare it relative to other sources of cells for therapies. My bottom line in our research efforts is that we are an incredibly diverse society with many different cultures, beliefs, morals, religions, and laws. There must be ample room for differences concerning the moral and ethical interpretations of the earliest stages of human development, especially where acknowledging these alternative legitimate views can mean the difference between life and death for many of our citizens. Critics of our work assert that it is unethical and unnecessary. I strongly disagree with both of these assertions. The assertion that it is unethical stems from the fact that we used fertilized human eggs for the cells, thus destroying a human life. I contend that there is nothing unethical about what we are doing. There is no scientific answer to when life begins. It's a metaphysical and a philosophical argument. I don't believe that anyone has the right to tell us when human life begins. There are many who believe that there is a moral imperative to use the potential of these unique cells to help the living suffering from diseases and disabilities. I should tell you that we have received offers of thousands upon thousands of donations for human embryos for this work. The claim that it is unnecessary in that stem cells from adult tissues or umbilical cord blood can do all that embryonic stem cells can do, and in fact have cured many diseases already. You will see lists upon lists of these claims. There is some validity to those from the standpoint that we've known for decades and have used effectively for decades, as Dr. Sivan has in his clinics, stem cells from adult marrow for blood-based diseases. But to make further claims and to publish these lists in non-peer-reviewed journals, I think is unethical in of itself. The policies of the current federal administration are directly responsible for compromising research efforts in this country on ES cells, while other countries move forward vigorously in this field. The lack of federal support, historically the conventional source of new research funding, is preventing our bright young scientists from entering this field. And this is really the basis on which much of our medical research and progress is made. This is what led to the involvement of states in supporting embryonic stem cell research. We are not chasing mirages. We are pursuing our dreams, a pursuit strongly endorsed by the National Academy of Sciences, Nobel laureates, all scientific and medical professions. These are dreams shared by many, and these dreams are now becoming a reality. What has happened between the time we met last year and this year in our research laboratory alone? It's been a time of great excitement. We've been able to grow heart tissue in abundance from embryonic stem cells and to graft them into animal models of congestive heart failure and heart attacks, where they have engrafted and have functioned well. We have discovered key genes in the formation of liver cells, something which we desperately need to do to turn these cells into liver cells for metabolic disease interventions. In Parkinson's disease, we have discovered key genetic regulatory elements for the maintenance of the very cells that are lost in Parkinson's disease through the study of these stem cells. We have developed new protocols for growing motor neurons, those cells that are lost in amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, Lou Gehrig's disease. And we can now grow these by the millions upon millions. It's difficult to discuss the potential of stem cell research without raising expectations. My laboratory has received thousands and thousands of requests for therapies from people around the world and around the state. We must be circumspect about immediate benefits of stem cell research, but circumspection is not a retreat from promise. It's going to take the efforts of many scientists and many clinicians to bring these therapies to the clinic. And to get us there, we need support. Finally, we must be able to fashion a rational and fair policy that will enable us to benefit from the science while respecting the concerns of our citizens. Political leaders have been responsible for enabling stem cell research to progress rapidly in many other countries and now in a growing number of other states. I ask that you support HP1.